Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today. I hope you're staying safe and healthy during this time. We're bringing you a virtual open house today. We are at 372 Roxbury Lane in Noblesville. This is the North Harbor neighborhood. We've got Morse Reservoir just behind us, and we've got a beautifully updated home behind us here. So as we're walking up the driveway, you're going to see that this driveway has been completely redone. We've got new exterior paint. We've got new roof that went on. We've got new exterior windows. We've got fresh landscaping up here. And the inside is just as beautiful. All right, as we walk in, we come into this beautiful open concept great room. This actually used to be 3 rooms. They've added a steel beam here to open that up, open up the entryway to the kitchen as well. You got this nice big great room, fresh carpets, you've got fresh flooring, you've got a great outdoor living space out back. Big backyard with that paver patio here. Inside the kitchen, we've got granite countertops. We've got all new cabinetry. We've got beautiful appliances over here. New backsplash. Anybody who loves a great kitchen, this might be the one for you. As we come back a little bit further, you're going to see we do have a half bath. You've got your washer and dryer hookups down here, and then the first of 5 bedrooms. Okay, off of the kitchen here, you also do have your garage. It has a new epoxy flooring. And then on the other side, you got entryway into your formal dining area. And then we'll head upstairs and take a look at the last 4 bedrooms. All right, as we came up the stairs, we see that same carpet that we have downstairs. This is going to be your master suite. Off this master suite, we've got your bathroom and a closet. That bathroom has a new vanity in here with those double sinks. We're going to have a tile surround shower. And then on the other side of this, we have our master closet with those built-in shelving units. Really improves the function of this space, gives you plenty of options. And then we're going to head down the hall here, take a look at the other 3 bedrooms and the other full bathroom. So this full bathroom over here has all new tile surround. Throughout, you can see you've got the new vanity. Same flooring we've seen throughout the house. Everything flows extremely well. Everything fits together here. You got those gorgeous inset, where you can put your shampoo bottles. Everything's extremely functional throughout. A couple of linen closets up here as well. Again, this one does have built-in shelving in here, so plenty of options for storage. And then our final 3 bedrooms are off to the side. Hey, thank you guys so much for joining with us again today for this virtual open house. If you have any questions or if you want to set up a private showing, I'd be happy to help you. My name is Cole Heberling. My number is 765-760-3015. Hope to hear from you guys soon. Stay safe, guys.